How to fix Rave app loading problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are experiencing loading issues with Rave app, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you a few quick fixes to get Rave working smoothly again. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa, as this can sometimes resolve loading issues. Next, clear the app's cache in data. Here's how. Go to your device settings and find Apps or Apps Manager and relocate Rave. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache in Data. This won't delete your account but will refresh the app's data. Next, update the app. Sometimes bugs can cause loading issues. Check if there is an update available for Rave in the App Store or Google Play Store. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Next, restart your device. If the problem persists, try restarting your device. This can help reset background processes that might be interfering with the app. Next, reinstall the app. As a last resort, delete the Rave app and reinstall it. This often solves issues that can be fixed with a cache clear. And that's it. One of these solutions should get Rave loading correctly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.